Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's video lesson. I hope all of you are safe in your homes and you are taking care of yourself and the people around you. Dear students, once again, I would like to remind you that when you are in your homes, you must study properly and study regularly. Okay, I think most of you have understood this message by now, but if still some of you are left, some of you are thinking that no, we will study when the exam time will come or when the revision time will come, it's not going to help you at all. So dear students, please best interests. Dear students, today we will be reading once again the chapter The Snake and the Mirror. Okay, it's a very humorous story, it's a humorous account written by the writer. Okay, I told you the other day the writer's name is Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Okay, he has written this amazingly funny chapter, and we are going to read more and find out. Okay, like when we read this chapter, I would like to share one thing with you how humorously he defined the movement of cats, right? He very humorously defined the movement of rats. Those rats, they were like as if in a traffic. He compared them to the movement of traffic. So initially, what we have read up to, so now I'll get to what we have read up to now. Initially, what was there? A discussion was going on. Okay, the discussion was about snakes. Okay, a question was asked by the writer that have you ever been wrapped by a frightening cobra? Okay, so the writer asked this question, and then he starts telling his story. In the story, he told everyone that it was the beginning. Okay, it was the beginning of his practice, and he was short on money. Means he had very less money with him, and he had very few clothes. So what he did was that he took a room on rent. When he took that room on rent, then that room was not very nice. Yes, there was a veranda, but he was disturbed by the rats who were there very much. Okay, so he tells them that, and now we are going to read forward and we are going to find out what happens next. Okay, so all of you please open your literature main course book Beehive and get to page number 57, paragraph number 4. So just to give you some perspective into the story, I will be starting with a few lines back. I lay down but I could not sleep. I got up and went out to the veranda for a little air. So जो राइटर था वो सो नहीं पा रहा था. ओके, सो ताकि थोड़ी उसको हवा मिले इसलिए वो बरामदे में चला गया. But the wind god seemed to have taken time off. So बरामदे में भी हवा नहीं चल रही थी. Wind god जो थे, he had taken time off. Taken time off means कि छुट्टी पे थे. Okay, not working. I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. So then what he did next, because he was trying to sleep, he went back into the room और फिर वो चेयर पर बैठ गया, वापस से रूम में आ गया वो. I opened the box beneath the table and took out a book, the Materia Medica. So there was a box which was kept where? Beneath, under the table. Okay, it was under the table and he took out a book from it, the materia medica. You see the last letter medica, right? So it resembles which word? It resembles the word medical. बेटा बहुत सारे वर्ड्स जब आप रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में करते हैं तो उनके मीनिंग्स नहीं पता, तो हम गेस करते हैं कि वो वर्ड किसके जैसा सिमिलर साउंड हो रहा है. ओके, तो वर्ड का आप पार्ट देखेंगे तो आपको बिल्कुल आइडिया हो जाएगा. 2-3 बारी आप उस वर्ड को रीड और रीड करेंगे तो आपको क्लियर एक आइडिया हो जाएगा. ओके, सो मेडिका लिखा हुआ है और वो डॉक्टर है, तो ऑब्वियसली ये बुक भी किसके बारे में होगी? मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस के बारे में ही होगी, मेडिसिन के बारे में होगी, ऐसा कुछ होगा इस बुक में. I opened it at the table on which stood the lamp. So what was there on the table? There was a lamp. A lamp was there on the table. Okay, it stood means it was kept there. Okay, वो लैम्प वहां पे था, बिकॉज लैम्प्स जो होते हैं वो खड़े से होते हैं ना, उनका स्ट्रक्चर स्ट्रेट अपराइट होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही इज सेइंग स्टूड द लैम्प. एंड अ लार्ज मिरर. So what else was there? There was a lamp and there was a large mirror. A small comb lay beside the mirror. So mirror के beside क्या होता है? Means next. Okay? मिरर के साथ में क्या रखा हुआ था? मिरर के साइड में ही क्या रखा हुआ था? एक comb. Okay? Comb I think everyone knows, which you people, which boys and girls you both use for hair styling, right? Or some of you who don't get enough of the hair styling thing, they use their hands, right? So that's a good practice. Keep yourself well managed and keep yourself good looking round the clock. That's a good thing to do. Okay, moving on. One feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near one. One feels, now he is talking about the emotions of humans in general, of a person in general. One feels tempted. What is tempted? Tempted means inclined. किसी चीज की तरफ झुकाव होना, किसी चीज के बारे में सोचना, ओके, उसकी तरफ थोड़ा सा फेवर में बैलेंस होना. So, one feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near one. I took a look. So, जब कोई मिरर किसी के पास होता है, उसका क्या मन करता है कि मिरर को देखने का. Am I right? मिरर के अगर आप पास होंगे तो आपका मन करेगा कि yes, we should look into a mirror. Please mark this line. This is very important. This will be used later on in the chapter to understand it. So just make sure you understand this line. I took a look. So उसने भी देखा. In those days, I was a great admirer of beauty. So in those days, when that time was there, जब वो थोड़ा पुराना टाइम था, he was a great admirer. Admirer means someone who praises. Okay? जो तारीफ करता हो. Like if you people will study every day, I'll praise you all. Okay? I will praise you all. I will be your admirer. If you people will score well, then also I am going to admire you. Admirer means one who praises, जो तारीफ करता है. And I believed in making myself look handsome. So it was the belief of this of our very respected author that he should make effort to look handsome. वो भी अच्छा दिखना चाहता था. उसके मन में था कि हाँ मुझे अच्छा लगना है, मुझे सुंदर लगना है. Okay? I was unmarried and I was a doctor. So now he is telling his skills. He was unmarried, right? Unmarried and he was a doctor. Okay? I felt I had to make my presence felt. See how he has to make his presence felt. उसे दिखना है, लोग, वो चाहता है कि लोग उसे नोटिस करें, राइट? कुछ लोगों के मन में होता है ना कि हाँ, व्हाई आर यू ड्रेसिंग अप, आप सुंदर लगने का ट्राई क्यों कर रहे हो, ताकि लोग नोटिस करें. वाई डू वी पीपल ड्रेस अप? डू वी ड्रेस अप फॉर आवरसेल्व्स कि हमें अपने लिए अच्छा लगना है, या फिर डू वी ड्रेस अप बिकॉज हम ये चाहते हैं कि दूसरों के आगे हम अच्छे लगे? I think we dress up for the latter. We want that yes, people should take a notice of ourselves and they should get impressed by us. Okay, so if you some of you might be doing hairstyles, I have seen that yes, how especially boys, they are getting so many innovative haircuts these days that they look like superstars of Hollywood movies. Is that the case? If that's the case, dear students, I must tell you that you are a student. Enjoy your days and stay disciplined like the way you should. Okay? If you are so, the schools, they can open anytime, and if you will have a superstar like hairstyle, I'll take good care of you. Okay? Coming back to the chapter, yes, the doctor, he felt a certain need to gain appreciation from others, from other people, so he took effort to look handsome. Okay, I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. So he picked up the comb, right, and ran it through my hair. Ran it through my hair means like उसने अपने hair में से उसे move किया. Okay, hair में से move किया, जैसे उसको comb करना था तो उसने move किया. And adjusted the parting. What is parting? Parting means dividing. जो भी मतलब division का point होता है वहां पे, जैसे हम अपने बालों को सेपरेट करते हैं, राइट? यू एवरीवन इज अवेयर दैट गर्ल्स वो सेंटर में से करती हैं, बॉयज वो लेफ्ट या राइट साइड से करते हैं. दैट इज पार्टिंग, द पार्टिंग ऑफ द हेयर. So that it looked straight and neat. See, the time is of night, no one is going to notice him, but still he is making an effort to look nice. Okay, again I heard that sound from above. So he heard that sound again. There was a sound which was bothering him earlier, and he gave credit of that sound to the rats. Okay, उसने rats के ऊपर कहा कि हाँ, rats की वजह से sound सुननी पड़ रही है. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. I made an important decision. So उसने बहुत ही ध्यान से अपना फेस देखा मिरर में और उसने एक बहुत important decision लिया. Okay, I would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. So he decided that he would shave daily. The facial hair on his face, he's going to clean it daily, and he will grow a thin mustache. What is mustache? The hair growth above the upper lip. Okay, जो आपका upper lip है उसके ऊपर जो hair growth होती है boys को, उसे mustache कहते हैं, mooch. Okay, mustache means mooch. To look more handsome. See how much he is willing to, how much he wants to look nice and he wants to look good. Firstly, he was combing his hair, and now he has taken an important decision of shaving his facial hair and keeping just a mustache, a thin mustache, by just because he wants to look good. जो भी वो कर रहा है, वो उसके पीछे क्या मोटिवेशन है? He wants to look good. He wants to look handsome. Okay? I was, after all, a bachelor and a doctor. Again, he is stressing the point that he's a bachelor. Okay? So he is very much, I think, willing to get married. वो शादी करना चाहता है और इसलिए वो अच्छा लगना चाहता है कि वो डॉक्टर भी है और बैचलर भी है, तो उसको अच्छा तो बिल्कुल लगना ही पड़ेगा. ओके, जरूरी है उसके लिए अच्छा लगना. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. Okay, again praising himself. Our doctor is, I think, he is so much willing to look good that he is gonna do anything. Okay, he's now looking at himself in the mirror and appreciating himself. वो अपनी तारीफ कर रहा है, अपनी स्माइल की तारीफ कर रहा है. ओह, मैं कितना हैंडसम हूं. ओके, I would always keep that attractive smile on my face. So has decided, उसने बिल्कुल एक खुद के साथ वादा कर लिया. Has promised himself like I am going to keep this smile, attractive smile, जो बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है, जो और लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करती है, अपनी तरफ खींचती है, वो स्माइल हमेशा अपने फेस पे रखूंगा. On my face to look more handsome. Again, what is the reason for keeping the smile? To look more handsome. Okay, motivation फिर से वही है. I was after all a bachelor. Bachelor means unmarried. He was a bachelor and he was a doctor. Okay, see, even today people to get married in Indian society, you must have certain qualifications, right? You should be well earning and you should be attractive. Indians हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं गुड लुकिंग होने पर, अट्रैक्टिव होने पर. ओके, हम बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं इस चीज़ के ऊपर, which is not correct. Okay, which is not at all correct. We should appreciate the inner beauty. हमें पर्सनालिटी के ऊपर फोकस करना चाहिए, बट हम किसके ऊपर फोकस करते हैं? लुक्स के ऊपर, which is not at all a good thing. Okay, so a question is there in English, which one should you choose, beauty or brains? But हम लोग क्या चूज करते हैं? The right answer of this is we should choose brains. But what do we choose? Beauty. क्या हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए? No, we should not do this. But do we do it? Yes, certainly we do it. Okay, so again, the doctor, he is appreciating himself, and whatever he is doing to look more handsome, because after all he was a bachelor, he was unmarried and a doctor too on top of it. Okay, वो डॉक्टर भी था. वो again and again emphasize कर रहा है कि he was a doctor. Again came that noise from above. Now this is the second time that noise has come, and the noise, it has been attributed to, वो noise जो है उसका blame किस पे है? It is on the rats, that the rats, they are making that noise. I got up, lit a beedi and paced up and down. So he got up and he lit a beedi, I think it's just like a cigarette, and paced up and down. Paced means walked. Okay, वो वापस up and down, वो इधर उधर घूमा, and paced up and down the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. Another lovely thought struck me means came to his mind. Okay, he got an idea. Okay, I would marry. Why he would marry? Because he was unmarried, he was a bachelor. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. So he would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money. Plenty of money means who had a lot of money and a good medical practice. She had to be fat for a valid reason. Now see, he wants to look himself, he wants to look handsome, okay, he wants to look good, but when he wants a wife, he is willing to have a wife who is fat for a valid reason. We don't know what is that reason. Valid means जो माना जाए. Okay, if I made some silly mistake, okay, अगर मुझसे कोई silly mistake हो गई, मुझसे कोई बेवकूफ़ी हो गई, and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. So what is he saying here? The valid reason is that if she would be fat and the डॉक्टर मेक्स अ मिस्टेक, ही विल बी एबल टू रन अवे. वो उसकी जो वाइफ है वो उससे के पीछे भागेगी तो वो पकड़ नहीं पाएगी. ओके, सो ही हैज इन अ फनी वे ही हैज डिस्क्राइब्ड व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर मैरिज. कि आफ्टर मैरिज थोड़ी बहुत हस्बैंड वाइफ दे फाइट, तो वो उस फाइट के टाइम पे बचने के लिए उसका वैलिड रीजन वो चाहता है कि वाइफ मोटी हो जो उसे पकड़ ना पाए. पतली वाइफ होगी तो वो उसको पकड़ लेगी और फिर उसको, yes you people are right, वो उसको पीटेगी. शी इज गोइंग टू बीट हिम ब्लैक एंड ब्लू. ओके, एक एक्सप्रेशन हम यूज करते हैं कि बीट समवन ब्लैक एंड ब्लू, कि उसको इतना मारेंगे कि उसकी बॉडी पे ब्रूजेस हो जाएंगे. ब्रूजेस होते हैं ना जो ब्लैक कलर के ब्लू कलर के होते हैं जब आपको कोई ज्यादा मार दे, राइट. सो he, I think his valid reason is quite valid, and let's move forward. With such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. So उसके दिमाग में ऐसे thoughts थे और उसने फिर क्या किया, अगेन वो अपनी सीट पे बैठ गया, जो चेयर, अपनी चेयर पे बैठ गया जो टेबल के सामने थी. ओके, resumed means started again. वो फिर से वो बैठ गया ना, so he again started sitting on that. There were no more sounds from above. Okay, there were no more sounds. Silent. Suddenly there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. So there came a dull thud. Okay, there came a dull thud like a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Okay, so dull thud means एक बहुत ही थर्ड आवाज ही होती है. ओके, डल आवाज, कोई ज्यादा जिसमें शोर शराबा नहीं, ऐसे हल्की सी आवाज. कि रबर ट्यूब गिरेगी अगर तो वो ज्यादा नॉइज थोड़ी क्रिएट करेगी, वो तो आराम से एक हल्की सी साउंड क्रिएट करेगी. सो वो डल थर्ड हुई जैसे कि एक रबर ट्यूब ऊपर से नीचे गिरी हो. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे we are going to read till here only. Okay, now if you have any doubts regarding the chapter, please comment and let me know. Okay, if anything is not clear to you, please let me know, and I hope all of you are enjoying this chapter. This is a very funny chapter, and I hope you all are enjoying it. Okay, enjoy it, but remember to study also. Okay, study it as well. Okay, the reason why certain things are happening, that those reasons should be clear to you. Okay, like why the doctor, he is making an effort to look good. I think all of you know the answer, because he was unmarried and a doctor. Okay, why he wants a fat wife? Because he is hoping that she won't be able to catch him if she would be fat, if they ever had an argument. अगर कभी भी उनकी कोई फाइट हुई तो वो कैच नहीं कर पाएगी. Okay, so whatever his routine is, whatever he is doing, he's just doing because he's unmarried and doctor. And you must see, now you must understand one thing very clearly, one thing which is very important, that he is very much focused on marriage, and moreover he is very much focused on others opinion about him, दूसरे उसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, he is very much interested in that. Okay, now if you have any confusion in any of the points, please comment and let me know. Okay, so that's your lesson for today. Thank you, dear students.